Hey folks, quick little update on the German DAX. Very simple, very basic chart here at the 30-minute time frame. I was posting that already on Friday. You see DAX is just moving sideways since April 6. So that means he formed a range. It's as big as 286 points. And this morning I was mentioning that it's scalping paradise. Because as long as DAX stays in there, it's always a good short entry up here and it's always a good long entry down here. But be careful, as soon as these boundaries break, it's 14,322 to the upside. These ranges like to duplicate that inner amount to either side they break. So that gives us a 100% range target of 14,613. And 13,756 to the downside if they break 1436. So that's on the 30-minute time frame, and let's hop into that hour time frame. And I was also twittering that a lot last week, that bullish falling Wolver Wave wedge, it's still active, it's still valid, and it remains in that chart until 14th of April. That should be, then the price should be above 14,135, and we still have that target line here, still running at 14,766. And when we have a look at these ranges, I just put in these target levels. They could fit quite nicely, even if we go down first and come back up again. That's also possible. We still missed out that 100% target at 14,001 of that C. And there was also that 13,974, that 38.2 retracement I was still looking for. And just to give you another hint, this leg here, the third leg down, was a little bit smaller than the first one, but this could also turn out as a so-called 3 drive. So we get a fifth leg down as big as this one or as big as this one. And just give me a sec. When we just put our 100% target here, it would fit quite nicely if we break out to the downside first. That would give us a target at 13,714. So that's it about DAX. As I mentioned, watch out for these range boundaries, and as long as we stay in there, you can continue scalping, but once we break out, be careful. So if you liked that video, give me a like, and I see you on Twitter later on. Thanks.